Hi everyone, welcome to our Robobloq Steam show, and I'm Pamela. So from our last video, we have already met with our new friend Coding Express, and it has shown us various amazing abilities that can be played both on the track and off the track. So today, we are going to do a test of Coding Express capability with other wooden train sets. Here we prepared a set of IKEA's wooden toy named Lillabo. It is a very popular game that welcomed by thousands of families and children all over the world. And just like Coding Express, IKEA's train track is also made of the high-quality beech wood that is long-lasting and safe and also easy to play. So now let's open it and check out what's inside. Now we can see there are many wooden train tracks and also some road signs and wooden trees and many colorful wooden blocks that you can build houses. All of these wooden products can improve children's DIY ability and creativity while they are playing. So now let's build these tracks together. Now I have finished the building of Lillabo. Let's put our Coding Express on it and check out its compatibility with the IKEA's train track. Press the on button and then enter into the A track mode. Let's see. We can see Coding Express can run smoothly on IKEA's train track. They are perfectly matched with each other. And now let's try some Coding Express inductive stickers on this track to see whether the train can recognize or not. Now let's do a more challenging task. How about mixing the IKEA's train tracks with our train tracks together and build a longer train tracks to play? So on my left is the train tracks from IKEA and on my right is the train track from Coding Express. And now let's build them together. So here it is, the code track of Coding Express and IKEA's Lillabo. So now let's put Coding Express on our mixed train tracks to see whether it can operate well or not. Actually, we can also use whistle to control our Coding Express. And let's see it. So through today's experimental playing, we can verify that the Coding Express has a strong capability with other wooden train sets, especially with the IKEA's Lillabo. And by collaborating with these two brands together, you can generate a more interesting train journey and gain much more fun. I have already become a fan of Coding Express. Are you the same with me? So if you are interested in our products and want to know more information about Robobloq and Coding Express, please visit our website and follow us on YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. Thanks for watching.